Hi guys, today we are unboxing this. I purchased this from Amazon. In my last video I unboxed some products that I bought to start doing a new project for the new year. So new project, new year, new project. And I saw this advertised on Amazon and I thought it's a good idea to have this on the top and bottom. I wanted something that was compact that would fit on my desk. So this actually apparently splits into two, and you also can have a shelf inside it. So this is a UV resin lamp. Yeah, I think company's name is Suzanne. And this is UV light 36 volts. UV light 36 watts. LED bulbs, 24 pieces, lamp heads. And yeah, on there. So as I mentioned, it does a single-sided use, a double-sided use, a digital display screen and 3-level countdown. Package includes 2 UV resin lamps, 1 USB cable Type-C, instruction manual and acrylic paint. After sales service, oh there you go, yeah, Suzanne. Not Suzanne as in the girl, as in the girl's name, Suzanne Services at Outlook.com. It's good that they've actually give you a after sales service name there for you to get in contact with if you have any issues or any questions. There is the manufacturer's name and address on there, and it says note. When 2 single-sided lamps are combined to form a double-sided lamp, only the side connected to the USB cable will display the numbers and control the switch. The side without the USB connection will not display anything on the screen and cannot control the switch. This is normal and does not constitute a quality issue. Specifications. So the size is 186/99 and 121mm. Power is 36 watts, number of lamps 24 pieces. Caution, the package is equipped with a USB cable Type-C that displays when connected to a power supply. It's recommended to use a charger with the output greater than 5 volt. The voltage cannot be greater than 5 volt, otherwise it will burn out. The UV resin lamp can be used separately, and the USB line uses DC 5 volt 2 amp line. Do not wipe the product with acidic liquid to avoid chip damage and discoloration. For more details, please refer to the user manual. So that's on the box. Let's get this open. So we've got 2 parts, as we expected. Let's get them out. We have a set of instructions, the power cable and the acrylic shelf. A cable's a cable, but obviously I'll let you know how long it is. So there's 2 cables, obviously for each side, and like it said, when one is put on top of the other, you only actually need one of these cables. So let's see how long this is for you. I'm going to be using mine on my desk, so I'm not that fussed about how long it is. That would be, I'd say, 1 metre long. They're about 1 metre long. Instruction manual, I can't see it needing that many instructions, but it's always worth having a read through it. So it gives you the precautions. Obviously this kind of light is not good for your eyes, so make sure you're either protecting your eyes or you're covering the side of the lamp up. That's me saying that, not the book. So you power on, setup, operation and completion. Gives you a troubleshooting guide and it gives you some solutions there. So really this is the one that we're after. So function description, number 1 is the power supply, which is here. Display screen obviously on the top. button, there is 3 curing time settings as we mentioned on the thing, so there's just one button that you operate it with. You press that for depending on which one how long you want to actually put it on for. Auto sleep, there's an operation for 10 minutes, the machine will automatically enter sleep mode. Short press the button to wake it up, which is good. It is operated by one single button. Right, so let's do some peeling. That was a bit squeaky. So that's our acrylic shelf that goes in between it. Like I said, I'm not after doing massive projects as yet, so this is quite nice and compact until I get used to what I actually want to do. And these attach apparently by magnetic. See it? They're magnetic. That's what it looks like underneath. There's your power button, sorry, your power input, and then the button is directly on the top there, and it says 2 minutes, 3 minutes and 5 minutes. Right, let's see about getting this plugged in, check that it works. Actually, let's see how we install this shelf. Is it just like that? Nope, maybe just slide it in, that might make more sense. Yeah. So obviously if you want to cure something top and bottom, you're able to do that, and it's still in a nice small place. The other thing you could do is, if you do have a bigger piece that you want to cure, is put them side by side like that, and you've got that surface area. And these don't stand up too high for the light to sort of spill out. It's quite easy to find something to put on the sides there if necessary. I will find a power outlet and get this sorted for you to have a look at it. Okay, so I've got the other end of this plugged into the wall. Just going to get this plugged into the machine. There we go, comes on straight away. So it comes on at 120, and you can see the blue light working there. Obviously I don't want that staying on for too long, but you can see it counting down to whichever one you want to put on. Just check the other one's working. Again, comes straight on at 120, press it and it counts down. Press it again, counts down, and 300, yep, all done. So yeah, that's good. Everything's working. I'm happy with this product up to now. The next test is to see if it actually cures. So join me on my next video, which is when I will be starting putting all the things that I unboxed in the last video with this, and we'll do some playing about and do some projects and see what we can make, see what we can figure out, and take you on along on the journey. Right, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribed, and if you hit that notification bell, that will let you know when my next video is coming up, where we can have a play and we'll see how it all goes. Thanks for watching everybody, bye!